The 16th century Tanfents. Renaissance awakens scientific curiosity. Renaissance naturalists document plant diversity. Medieval scholars question species immutability. Conrad Gessner compiles comprehensive natural catalogue. Published in 1543, Andreas Vesalius's De Humani Corporis Fabrica revolutionized the study of anatomy with its unprecedented accuracy. In 1590, Zacharias Janssen created this device, the first compound microscope. Hooke discovers cells in cork fens. Leeuwenhoek pioneers microbiology fonts. John Ray defines species concept conting. Newton's laws inspire natural law thinking. Linnaeus creates binomial nomenclature of race. Systema naturae establishes kingdom classification. Buffon questions species fixity frame. Buffon proposes species change over time. Hutton proposes deep time concept as wide. Erasmus Darwin proposes evolutionary ideas in 1794. All warm-blooded animals have arisen from one living filament. Lamarck develops first comprehensive theory Kanti. Giraffe neck stretching demonstrates acquired traits. Fossil discoveries suggest extinction and change. Cuvier establishes the concept of extinction in 1812. Cuvier proposes catastrophic extinctions. Brown discovers the cell nucleus, 1831. Candolle studies species distribution patterns. Humboldt maps species distribution globally. All unless we despair of attaining to the truth, we must look for explanation to the causes now in action. Lyell establishes immense geological time. This wall records the deep eras of Earth. Darwin begins Beagle voyage, 1830-31. South American fossils puzzle Darwin. Galapagos finches inspire Darwin's thinking. Darwin finds giant sloth fossils in Argentina.
Let's see, the fittest must survive.
Population increases geometrically. Subsistence increases only arithmetically. Malthus showed me that population outgrows resources. This breeds a struggle. By selecting favorable traits, we can guide the very course of evolution. Darwin conducts extensive experiments in his garden at Down House, meticulously documenting the growth of climbing plants. Wallace independently develops the theory of evolution, parallel to Darwin. Wallace sends natural selection essay to Darwin, 1858. Both theories presented simultaneously. Writes revolutionary book. Darwin studies whale evolution fossils. Archaeopteryx bridges dinosaurs and birds. Transitional forms support evolution. Homologous structures reveal common ancestry.
Haeckel's biogenetic law proposed 1866.
The tree of life becomes evolutionary metaphor. Human-ape common ancestry proposed. Darwin applies evolution to humans. Wallace explores spiritual evolution. Weismann separates somatic and germ cells. Linguistic evolution parallels biological evolution. Haeckel creates detailed evolutionary trees. Embryonic development shows evolutionary patterns. Early ideas about rapid evolutionary change. Mendel's genetics rediscovered. 1865. Weismann proves germplasm, the hereditary trail remains unbroken. Galton applies evolution to human improvement. Kropotkin proposes cooperation as an evolutionary force. This is what I call survival of the fittest. Evolution misapplied to human societies.
This evidence shows natural selection. It is not a matter of faith. How dare you question Holy Scripture? We are made in the image of God. I vanish to protect the truth, for I would rather be descended from an ape than from a man who suppresses the truth. This is the triumph of science.
In the ancient world, knowledge began to evolve. The great tree of life became part of their teachings. In the early 20th century, the fusion of genetics with natural selection, thus, Charles Darwin established a legacy as the father of biology. All biological disciplines now converge, unifying life under one grand theory, evolution. In the search for human origins, evolution makes testable predictions. Natural selection, drift, mutation, migration. Evolution creates biological complexity. Earth's 4.5 billion-year history mapped showcases the steady rise of complex life. There are an estimated 8.7 million species on Earth. Evolution continues shaping life. New technologies reveal more. Theory evolves with new evidence. Darwinism meets genetics and ecology. All biological disciplines converge on evolution. This was the moment a fish began its journey onto land, just as theory predicted. In this ancient world, the engines of evolution are at work, driven by subtle mutations and the brutal hand of selection. Only the fittest will survive to claim the land. In the ancient seas, life began to diversify. Slowly, daring pioneers claimed the barren land. A beautifully connected, evolving world. Earth's 4.5 billion-year history mapped. Fossil succession documents life's history. Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras are mapped across this timeline. 5 major extinctions reshape life. Darwin becomes the father of evolutionary biology. Wallace becomes co-discoverer of natural selection. Genetics meets evolution in modern synthesis. Mendel's genetics foundation established. Mathematical framework for evolution develops.
Look, we have discovered the secret of life.
It is the structure of DNA. DNA reveals universal language of life. Genetic clocks estimate divergence times. Mitochondria and chloroplasts as ancient bacteria. Whales evolved from land mammals. They became aquatic, and finally, ocean dwellers. Birds as modern dinosaurs proven.
Neanderthal discoveries reveal human evolution, reshaping the story of our origins.
DNA evidence validates evolutionary theory.
Evo-Devo reveals genetic control of development.
Hox genes pattern evolutionary change. They masterfully map out complex body plans.
Evolution explains human behavior. Evolution, applied to human health, provides vital insights into modern medicine. Evolution transforms all biological sciences, opening new doors to understanding the vast complexity of life.
All biological disciplines converge on evolution.
Natural selection, drift, mutation, migration. Evolution creates biological complexity. Earth's 4.5 billion year history mapped. Evolution continues shaping life today. Human-ape common ancestor confirmed. This is where our story begins.